Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's just a mind Joe. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video because I picked this hairdryer. So I've bought this because my other hairdryer broke. So that's why I need a new one. Have to buy a new one. So I thought I'll do an unboxing of this brand new product from Tresemme. So this is the Tresemme used by professional. So this is the picture of the hairdryer itself. All that. So I'm going to do unboxing and test it out to see what it's like. So it's really cheap and it's around £20 and it's a good price, and it's got concentrated nozzle and it's got a frisbee so you can use it to dry your hair, and that's a really good hair dryer. I like that. So it is doing pretty good, but it is a light box. Okay, let's get some boxing of this brand new hairdryer. Okay, so you need to open the box and let's see what's inside. Wow, so that's everything. Okay, so it's got a nice plug unit and it's around really cheap, and it's a nice hair dryer, and we've got the instructions. So you need to carefully read these instructions so it can last longer. Okay, so I'm going to read these instructions from original. Thanks for buying the Tresemme, the faster dryer, 200 watts. From its original in the Salon in 1948, Tresemme has been driven by a single truth: everyone deserves to look and feel fabulous. Everybody likes Dave just stepped out of the salon. Tresemme is catered to created hair care products that are professional quality. Tresemme believes everyone should be Tresemme Pro performance in your hands every day. Slim containing nozzle, slim concentrated nozzle, and slim fast dry, and ceramic gala for every heat dissipating. A cool shot for a setting for your style. Curl your hair, soft fingers, the views. Professional salon, lightweight. Free heat speed for omelette control. Flexible salon 2-meter salon cord with a hanging storage, with all that. And you need to read safely, otherwise it can't last long. So read these safely. Protect carefully before using until the appliance should be used as described within this instruction booklet. Please return for future reference. Warning: this appliance gets hot. Always keep out of reach of children during after the whistling cooling. Always take an extra care if using on children or near children. Do not use on very young children. Only this appliances must be used in the bathroom. Outside the UK, if you're using the appliances then in a bathroom, unplug it, and also after you unplug it, after using it, the proximity of water can be dangerous, even if appliances installed of regional current devices RCD with a weighted reduce operates current, not anxiety. 3 meters is available in electric circuit. Simply the bathroom, ask your installer for advice. Warning: do not use the appliances near the bathtub or shower basins or other vessels contains water. Do not immerse the appliances into water or liquids. Okay, so these instructions have wrote. So we're going to take this out. Okay, since it's packed nice and clean, we're going to start putting these together. Don't have time to do a lot, so you have to do it. So it's got a 3-year guarantee in parts of labour. 3-year, so have a look. It's got a 3-year guarantee, so it will last because they've guaranteed for 3 years. So, oh my goodness, look at this hairdryer. So if you do this, yeah, but this is good. So I normally prefer a hairdryer. Okay, it's packed nice and clean, but it's got a setting. So it's got a cool set. It's got a first setting, the second. So it's got a cool setting, the first setting, and the second setting. So you've got to install your nozzle to your nice hairdryer, and because it's a little bit heavy because it's a big hairdryer, but it's not. So you have to hold this really tight to dry your hair because it's really big. It is a little bit. It's not. So it is a lot. It's not light. It is a little bit heavy, so it needs to hold it very strong with your hand. But so if it's a bit unbalanced, so you need to hold it very tightly. So you know what? So it's a good big hairdryer. So if you turn it down, it goes to your hair. So if you dry it, I've only have short arms, and it's a good hair dryer. So anyways, let's turn it on for the first time to see how it works. Okay, so I've got the plug. So first you just turn it on to this setting, to the first setting, and to the cold, and to first heat setting, and to the second heat setting if you want to. Then you cool it. Then you press it on to cool. So enough of is enough. Let's turn this on to see how it fixed. So let's go. Wow, it's a really good hair dryer. Wow, it's a powerful hair dryer. And it's going to cool. So it's a really good hair dryer. So you turn it on to the hot setting. Wow, it's a really, really good hair dryer. Wow. So it is really, really hot. Yeah. It is really powerful hair dryer. Wow. It's a really good hair dryer. Yes, so definitely it is a powerful hair dryer. And it is very, very strong, so you're not going to see any fingerprints here inside of this bottom of the thing. And the rest of his hair dryer is quite nice. It's powerful, very powerful, and it's got a microphone here. And it's a good hair dryer, yeah. So it got extra hot, and it smells brand spanking new. So if you hold it tightly, then you need to perform it. So you need to hold this very, very hard. Apart from this, it will perform very, very, very well. So if you dry it, so you've got to have, so if you have a bath or a shower, then you dry this, so you can just put it on the cool setting. So it's a really, really good hair dryer. It's very good. So it's good. So let's see. So I'll just have to show you it in my video. So hope you enjoy this video, guys. Remember, feel free to subscribe down below and turn on post notifications and send requests in the comment. And thanks so much for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.